Welcome to the Daily Message. Today we celebrate the feast of St. Andrew the Apostle. Even though he's mentioned in the Gospels, there's very little said about Andrew. In one of the Gospels, he is said to be Peter's brother. In one of the others, he is a disciple of John the Baptist. He could have been both. Andrew is also the one who spoke up when Jesus was about to feed the 5,000 and Jesus said, "We don't have anything to feed these people." It was Andrew who spoke up and said that there was a boy there who had 5 barley loaves and fishes. That's about all we know about Andrew. But what we do know about Andrew is that he was called personally by Jesus. And he responded. He responded quickly and he responded wholeheartedly. And I guess my point today is that we too are called by Jesus. Not as dramatically as Andrew may have been, but we too are called by Jesus to serve him, maybe in some big way today, maybe in some small way today. We don't know. Our task as Christians is to be attentive to the call of Jesus whenever and however we might hear it, and be ready to respond as Andrew did, wholeheartedly and willingly. Thank you for watching.